Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Niro plug-in hybrid. The Kia Niro plug-in hybrid provides unlimited functionality. It offers plenty of space, lots of technology, and the efficiency that you're shooting for in this hybrid crossover. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, front-wheel drive, trip computer, electronic stability control, day-night rear-view mirror, brake assist, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.